In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reminder task from a client record so you can stay on top of upcoming action items and receive a notification at the right time. To begin, open Chrome and navigate to the Client Record Layout window tab using the navigation panels in your workspace. Make sure you are on the correct client record before moving forward because the reminder you create will be associated with the record you currently have open. Taking a moment to confirm that you are in the right place can help prevent confusion later, especially if you manage multiple records throughout the day. Once you are inside the client record, look over to the left side of the screen for the Interaction Hub layout. In that section, find the checkmark symbol button labeled Tasks and click it. This area is where you can create and manage follow-up items connected to the record. If you do not immediately see it, pause for a second and scan the left panel carefully since icons can sometimes be easy to miss depending on your screen size or layout. After opening the task section, type the name of the upcoming action item you want a reminder for. Keep the task name clear and specific so that when the alert appears later, you instantly understand what needs attention. For example, instead of using a vague label, it is usually better to enter something short but descriptive that tells you exactly what the follow-up is about. Next, set the exact reminder date and time using the pop-up calendar controls. Choose the correct day first, then enter or select the time carefully. This step is important because the system will use these details to determine when your notification should be triggered. If timing matters for your workflow, double-check both the date and the hour before continuing. A small mistake here could cause the reminder to appear too early or too late. When everything looks correct, click Create Task. Once the task is created, the system will automatically send you a notification when the reminder expires. That means you will not have to rely on memory alone to keep track of the follow-up. And that's it. By using the Tasks option directly from the client record, you can create timely reminders in just a few moments and keep your work organized in a simple, reliable way.